In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting OST file to Word doc using the BitRecover OST Converter Wizard. To install our BitRecover OST Converter Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. Here, users will see Convert Configured OST Mailbox Data option to automatically load OST mail data. And, let me select my OST Mailbox Data option to manually select OST mail data. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the folder that you want to export. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select Doc option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. The File Naming option allows users to select a name format for the output file when converting it. Our tool provides filter options to precise the conversion. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the conversion will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully converted OST files. Click OK, and open the destination folder to access the newly converted file. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.